Jangaon, a city nestled in the heart of Telangana, India, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This city, often overlooked by the casual traveler, holds within its boundaries a treasure trove of experiences that cater to both the adventurous and the contemplative soul. Steeped in history and adorned with natural beauty, Jangaon is a place where every corner has a story to tell. From ancient temples that echo with the chants of bygone eras to lush green fields that sway with the rhythm of the wind, Jangaon offers a unique blend of cultural richness and scenic splendor. The local festivals, celebrated with fervor and joy, provide a glimpse into the vibrant traditions that have been passed down through generations. The city's roots run deep into the past, whispering tales of ancient dynasties and vibrant traditions. The historical landmarks, adorned with intricate carvings and inscriptions, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Today, Jangaon stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Telangana, where the old seamlessly blends with the new. Modern amenities and infrastructure coexist with historical edifices, creating a unique urban tapestry, where the echoes of the past harmonize with the pulse of the present. The bustling markets, filled with the aroma of local delicacies and the vibrant colors of traditional crafts, offer a sensory feast to visitors. Jangaon's strategic location, approximately 85 kilometers east of Hyderabad, makes it easily accessible to travelers. The well-connected roads and frequent transport services ensure a smooth journey to this enchanting city, makes it easily accessible to travelers. Whether you're arriving by car, bus or train, the journey to Jangaon is as pleasant as the destination itself. The city serves as a gateway to the eastern districts of Telangana, inviting visitors to embark on a journey through the state's diverse landscapes and cultural heritage. The welcoming archways and friendly locales make every visitor feel at home, inviting visitors to embark on a journey through the state's diverse landscapes and cultural heritage. From the rolling hills and serene lakes to the bustling festivals that celebrate the region's rich cultural tapestry, whether one seeks solace in nature's embrace or wishes to delve into the annals of history, Jangaon promises an enriching and unforgettable experience. The city's serene environment provides the perfect backdrop for reflection and exploration. Jangaon promises an enriching and unforgettable experience, so pack your bags and set out on a journey to discover the jewel of Telangana, where every moment is a story waiting to be told. Jangaon's landscape is a testament to its agricultural heritage, with vast stretches of lush greenery painting a picturesque panorama. The region's fields are not just a sight to behold, but a lifeline for the local community. Agriculture here is more than an occupation, it's a way of life, deeply rooted in tradition and culture. Emerald green paddy fields, swaying gracefully in the breeze, dominate the scenery, showcasing the region's fertility and the hard work of its people. These fields are a testament to the dedication and perseverance of the farmers who toil day in and day out, ensuring that the land remains bountiful and productive. The air is filled with the earthy scent of freshly tilled soil, a reminder of Jangaon's deep connection to the land. This soil, rich and fertile, is the foundation upon which the region's agricultural success is built. The meticulous preparation of the land is a crucial step in the farming process, ensuring that the crops have the best possible start. As the seasons change, so does the canvas of Jangaon's agricultural tapestry. Each season brings its own set of challenges and rewards, and the farmers adapt with resilience and ingenuity. The cyclical nature of farming is a dance with time, where each phase is essential for the next. During the monsoon season, the fields transform into shimmering mirrors, reflecting the azure sky above. The rains bring life to the crops, rejuvenating the land and filling it with new energy. This season is crucial for the growth of paddy, as the waterlogged fields provide the perfect environment for the rice plants to thrive. The arrival of harvest season brings with it a riot of colors, as golden hues of ripened crops replace the verdant green. This is a time of celebration and hard work as the farmers reap the fruits of their labor. The golden fields are a symbol of prosperity and abundance, a reward for months of dedication and care. Jangaon's agricultural heart beats strong, providing sustenance to its people and adding to the region's natural beauty. The community's collective effort in farming not only feeds the local population, but also strengthens the social fabric, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. The fields of Jangaon are more than just land. They are the lifeblood of the region, sustaining its people and preserving its heritage. Jangaon experiences a tropical climate, characterized by distinct seasons that paint the landscape in different hues throughout the year. Summers are hot and humid, with temperatures soaring during the day, while the nights offer a respite with cooler breezes. The monsoon season, from June to September, brings much-needed relief from the heat, as the parched earth rejoices in the life-giving showers. Winters in Jangaon are mild and pleasant, offering a welcome change from the scorching summers. The air is crisp and cool, ideal for exploring the outdoors and soaking in the beauty of nature. The city's diverse climate supports a rich variety of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Jangaon is blessed with a plethora of serene lakes and ponds, each offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. These water bodies are not just geographical features, they are the lifeblood of the region, providing a habitat for a diverse range of flora and fauna. The lakes and ponds of Jangaon are a testament to the natural beauty that this area has to offer, and they play a crucial role in the local ecosystem. These water bodies, scattered across the landscape, serve as oases of peace and tranquility, attracting both locals and tourists alike. Whether it's a family looking for a weekend getaway or a solo traveler seeking solitude, the lakes and ponds of Jangaon offer something for everyone. The serene environment is perfect for meditation, yoga, or simply unwinding with a good book. The gentle lapping of water against the banks, the chirping of birds, and the rustling of leaves create a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. It's a place where one can reconnect with nature and find inner peace. The sounds of nature here are like a natural orchestra, playing a melody that calms the mind and rejuvenates the spirit. One such idyllic spot is the Pembathi Lake, located on the outskirts of the city. This lake is a hidden gem, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and tranquility. It's a place where you can escape the noise and chaos of urban life and immerse yourself in the serene surroundings. Surrounded by lush greenery, the lake is a popular spot for picnicking, boating, and birdwatching. Families often come here to spend quality time together, enjoying the scenic beauty and engaging in various recreational activities. Birdwatchers can spot a variety of bird species, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The calm waters reflect the azure sky above, creating a sense of serenity that is hard to find elsewhere. The reflection of the sky on the water's surface creates a mesmerizing view that captivates the heart and soul. It's a sight that leaves a lasting impression on anyone who visits. As the sun begins its descent, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, the lake transforms into a magical wonderland. The changing colors of the sky create a breathtaking backdrop, making it a perfect spot for photography and creating unforgettable memories. The beauty of the sunset over the lake is a sight to behold, leaving visitors in awe of nature's splendor. No exploration of Jangaon is complete without a visit to Pochampally, a village renowned for its exquisite handloom saris. Located just a short distance from the city center, Pochampally is a testament to the rich textile heritage of Telangana. The village is a riot of colors, as vibrant saris woven with intricate designs and patterns adorn the shops and homes. The art of weaving in Pochampally dates back centuries, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. The weavers, with their nimble fingers, transform silk and cotton threads into masterpieces that are cherished for their beauty and craftsmanship. The saris, known for their intricately cut designs, are a testament to the creativity and skill of the Pochampally weavers. Section 6. Laknavaram Lake. A symphony of serenity. Laknavaram Lake, located about 50 kilometers from Jangaon, is a picturesque destination that captivates visitors with its serene beauty. Surrounded by dense forests and rolling hills, the lake offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The calm waters of the lake, reflecting the azure sky above, create a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. Visitors to Laknavaram Lake can enjoy a variety of activities, including boating, fishing, and bird watching. The lake is home to a diverse range of bird species, making it a paradise for bird enthusiasts. For those seeking adventure, trekking trails wind through the surrounding forests, offering breathtaking views of the lake and its surroundings. Section 7. Beyond the Horizon. Unveiling Jangaon's hidden treasures. Beyond its popular attractions, Jangaon is home to a plethora of hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Ancient temples, steeped in history and legend, dot the landscape, offering a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. Forts and palaces, once the seats of power, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their crumbling walls whispering tales of bygone eras. One such hidden gem is the Kaleshwaram Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Located on the banks of the Godavari River, the temple is a popular pilgrimage site, attracting devotees from far and wide. The temple's intricate carvings and towering gopuram, or temple tower, are a testament to the architectural prowess of the bygone era. Section 8. The allure of rural life. Finding peace in Jangaon's simplicity. Beyond its natural beauty and cultural heritage, Jangaon offers a glimpse into the simple yet fulfilling rhythm of rural life. The city's outskirts are dotted with small villages, where time seems to move at a slower pace. Here, life revolves around the cycles of nature, with agriculture forming the backbone of the local economy. Visitors to these villages can experience the warmth and hospitality of rural Telangana. The villagers, known for their friendly nature and down-to-earth demeanor, welcome guests with open arms. The pace of life here is unhurried, allowing visitors to unwind, de-stress, and reconnect with nature. Section 9. Jangaon beckons, an invitation to explore. Jangaon, with its unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage and rural charm, beckons travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path destination. Whether one wishes to soak in the serenity of its lakes, witness the artistry of its weavers, or simply escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Jangaon promises an unforgettable experience. So, pack your bags, embark on a journey to Jangaon, and discover the hidden gem of Telangana. Let the city's serene landscapes, vibrant culture and warm hospitality leave an everlasting imprint on your soul.